The date is May 15th, 2026. Right now, as we speak, a massive piece of human technology, the Psyche spacecraft, is performing a dangerous dance with the red planet Mars. Coming within just 3,000 miles of the Martian surface, it is using the planet's gravity as a cosmic slingshot. But where is it going? It's hunting for something that should not exist, a world made entirely of metal. A world that might be the exposed, frozen heart of a planet that died billions of years ago. Launched in October 2023, Psyche has cruised through the cold void for years. Its target is the Psyche asteroid, located between Mars and Jupiter. Unlike the rocky or icy worlds we know, this asteroid is the largest metal-rich object in our solar system. NASA scientists believe this is not just an asteroid, it's a planetary building block. It's the core of what could have been a planet like Earth, but it was shattered in a violent collision during the birth of our solar system. To reach this metallic ghost, the spacecraft needs more speed. This is where Mars comes in. During this mission, critical gravity assist. Every instrument on board is waking up. As Psyche approaches, Mars will appear as a glowing crescent in the darkness. We are not just getting speed, we are changing the very plane of our orbit to align with a world of iron and nickel. NASA's imagers are currently capturing time-lapse footage that will show us Mars in a way we have never seen before. What secrets will we find in the iron heart of Psyche? Are we looking at our own future or a glimpse into a past that was never meant to be seen? The post-flyby analysis is coming and the archives are just beginning to open. I'm the Archive Narrator. Subscribe and stay tuned for the images that will change history.